Did you know one spark can destroy 15 years of hard work in seconds? Meet the Ramlal family from San Fernando. For 15 years, they built their fireworks business from nothing. Started right in their backyard, mixing powder by hand. By 2023, they were supplying the biggest carnival bands across Trinidad. Business was booming, until 3 days before Carnival Monday. One explosion changed everything. Papa Ramlal ended up in hospital with serious burns. The factory completely gone. 15 years of work gone overnight. But here's the real problem. Their business insurance didn't cover fireworks accidents. Can you believe that? The one thing they actually needed protection from. 3 children in school, medical bills piling up, and 0 income during their biggest season. Mrs. Ramlal had to pull the kids out of private school. They lost their house deposit, everything. The thing is, specialized fireworks coverage exists. It would have covered the business and their family income during recovery. Smart business owners don't just work hard. They protect what they build before a disaster strikes. What's your backup plan?